Hi, my name's Jenny. I am doing a bag review of the Coach and Marvel collaboration. This is the Just Crossbody. This is coated canvas with their pebbled leather. This normally retails for $350. I got it on sale for a Coach outlet for a little bit over $100. I mean, it's very cute, very nostalgic. And then on the other side, same thing, some more comic book prints. So with this crossbody, there's two main compartments. This one is like I guess you can say like a burgundy color, very fall vibes. On the second one, there is a little pocket here, and like I said, it's still burgundy, and you know their little trademark. And then as you saw on the other side, the back side, there was a little pocket. So let me show you how I have this packed up. In my front pocket, I have my Nintendo Switch Lite. My pouch did not fit in with this, so I ended up taking it out, and then I just have a little snacks there. The next compartment, I have my hand sanitizer, my wipe pouch mini with wipes, my wallet in that small pocket, and then AirPods. I could probably still fit more, but like I said, when I don't have my kids with me, I don't really pack much. And then the back pocket, I normally put my phone there and my mask. It's just definitely nice on the coated canvas, as well as like the interior lining. I love that color, especially since it's a burgundy. It does come with a crossbody strap. I guess you can say it's woven, but it's kind of glittery pink down the middle, and then on the other side it's just plain burgundy. The hardware is silver, definitely a nice touch. This video is short, but I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.